Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn about ultrasonic sensors and its working principle, circuit diagram, features, advantages and disadvantages and applications. Coming to ultrasonic sensor. What is an ultrasonic sensor? Ultrasonic sensors are those sensors which uses ultrasonic waves to detect the distance between object and itself. So, what are the ultrasonic waves? Ultrasonic waves are those waves whose frequencies are beyond the normal human hearing limit. It will be more than 20 kHz. Usually, ultrasonic sensors are having two transducers, one for transmitter and another one is for receiver. Now coming to the working principle of ultrasonic sensor. We have to give short 10 microsecond pulse to the trigger pin to start the ranging. After that, module emits ultrasonic wave in burst of 8 cycle at the frequency of 40 kHz. At the same time, module make the echo pin high. Once the waves are reflected by the object and absorbed by the receiver, this echo pin goes slow. In other words, the duration of time during which the echo pin stays high is equal to the total time taken by the ultrasonic waves to travel from transmitter to the object and again from the object to the receiver. This echo pin stays high during the wave propagation. Output of this echo pin is equal to the time taken by the ultrasonic waves to travel from transmitter to the object and object to the receiver. To calculate the actual distance from the sensor and the object is given by the formula D is equal to S into T divided by 2, where D is equal to distance, T is equal to time. Because the same path will be travelled by the ultrasonic waves twice, we are dividing here by 2. Figure shows how the waves are propagating in ultrasonic sensor. Transmitter emits the ultrasonic wave of 40 kHz. It travels to the air. When they are blocked by an object, they get reflected back. They are bounced back to the sensor. These reflected waves are absorbed by the receiver of ultrasonic sensor. So the total time taken by the ultrasonic wave to travel from transmitter of the sensor to the object and again from the object to the receiver is given by the output of the sensor. The distance between this object and the sensor is calculated by the formula S is equal to D divided by time, where S is equal to speed, D is the distance, T is the time. Speed of the ultrasonic wave in air, that is S is equal to 340 meter per second. Here, pin details of ultrasonic sensor is given. We are using HCSR04 sensor. It consists of 4 pins. First one is VCC plus 5 volt supply is given to this pin. Second pin is trigger pin. Trigger is the input of ultrasonic sensor. Microcontroller applies 10 microsecond trigger pulse to the ultrasonic module. Third pin is the echo pin. Echo pin is the output of the sensor. Microcontroller reads or monitors this pin to detect the object or to find the distance. Fourth pin is ground pin. It is given to the ground. The timing diagram of ultrasonic sensor. We have to give short 10 microsecond pulse to the trigger pin to start the ranging. After that, module emits ultrasonic wave in burst of 8 cycles at a frequency of 40 kHz. At the same time, module make the echo pin high. Once the waves are reflected by the object and absorbed by the receiver, this echo pin goes low. In other words, the duration of time during which the echo pin stays high is equal to the total time taken by the ultrasonic waves to travel from transmitter to the object and again from the object to the receiver. Distance is calculated by the formula speed is equal to distance divided by time. Coming to the circuit diagram of ultrasonic sensor. This ultrasonic sensor circuit consisting of a set of ultrasonic receiver and the transmitter which operates at the same frequency. When something moves in the area covered, the circuit's fine balance is disturbed and alarm is triggered. The ultrasonic circuit is very sensitive and can be adjusted to the reset itself automatically or stay triggered till it is reset manually after an alarm. The ultrasonic transmitter is built around two NAND gates wired as inverters and they form a multi-vibrator, output of which drives the transducer. The trimmer P2 adjusts the output frequency of the transmitter and for greater efficiency it should be made the same as frequency of resonance of the transducer in use. The ultrasonic receiver uses a transducer to receive the signals that are reflected back to it, the output of which is amplified by the transistor PR3 and IC1 which is a 741 op-amp. The output of IC1 is taken to the non-inverting input of the IC2, the amplification factor of which is adjusted by means of P1. Now let's see the features of ultrasonic sensor. Ultrasonic sensor uses supply voltage of 5 volt and supply current of 15 milliamps. Its modulation frequency is 40 kHz. It uses the beam angle maximum of 15 degree. It covers the distance from 2 cm to 400 cm. And its accuracy is 0.3 cm. It communicates at positive TTL pulse. Now let's see the advantages of ultrasonic sensor. It has sensing capability to sense all the material types. This sensor does not affected by the atmospheric, dust, rain and snow. It has higher sensing distance compared to inductive or capacitive proximity sensor type. It provides good readings in large-sized objects with hard surfaces. It can work in any adverse condition. Moving to the disadvantages of ultrasonic sensor. It is very sensitive to the variation in the temperature. It has more difficulties in reading reflections from soft, curved, thin and small objects. Finally, let's see the applications of ultrasonic sensor. This ultrasonic sensor is used in oil, chemical, milk or water tanks for level measurements or for liquid level control. This sensor is used through beam detection for high-speed counting. Robotic industry for robot sensing. This sensor is also used in presence detection system. In the coming lectures, we will see the interfacing of ultrasonic sensor with the STM32F4 Discovery board. Thank you for watching.